Hey, what is up guys, it's PMHK obviously, and today we are taking a look at an Apple Watch. So we're going to be unboxing this Apple Watch and I'm just going to be talking to you guys about the Apple Watch itself. So I'm basically making this video because as most of us actually know, Apple's WWDC was just announced recently, and the Apple Watch, the Watch OS 5 is going to be coming out anytime soon. Actually, the beta version is already out, and because of that and the new features that actually that Watch OS has, I think many people are going to start buying new Apple Watches. So I just wanted to show you guys what you get on the box and all the good things that the Apple Watch Series 3, which is the one currently available, will come with. So let's just go and unbox it quickly for you guys to see what's in the box. So the box that comes with the Apple Watch is this long box. It's not like a traditional watch box, and it actually comes with a plastic covered it, and a bit of plastic is inside, but since I've already opened this box, you won't be seeing those things. So let's jump in and unbox the actual watch itself. So on top of the box, what you're gonna get is obviously the literature. This is where your guiding or your guides to your new Apple Watch will be. And also, most people actually don't know this, but inside this little guy here, you also find a secondary strap for you to change the current one if you have kind of a big wrist. And this one that comes here is the medium to large, in case of, as I said, you have a big wrist. But this watch that I have here currently, it's a 38 millimeters, and this size is mostly specific for ladies because it's a kind of a smaller size. I myself prefer the 42 millimeter, which is a much bigger size, and it fits much better on my wrist because I kind of have a big wrist. So on the box, apart from the literature and the other stuff, you'll find the watch itself, which is right there. This is a rose gold 38 millimeter, as I mentioned before, and under the box you'll find the charging cable and the charging brick, which I just dropped. But you guys know how the charging brick looks like. No, you don't know how it looks like? Okay, let me just pick it up quick. So in case you don't know how a charging brick looks like, this is how it looks like. This is the American version. As you can see, the 2-pin adapter there is kind of different from ours. So this is the only thing that you're actually getting on the box. I just dropped the watch again. So this is the actual watch, as you guys can see, on all its glory. It comes with the small and medium watch band, which you can then change if you have a big wrist, as I mentioned before, with the medium and large band. So the features that you'll be getting here, as you already saw, is the heart rate monitor, and you also getting GPS on this guy. GPS, this is a GPS, and it's not a cellular version. There's actually a cellular version that also comes, but that version is not sold in South Africa. So and the features of this guy, it says Apple Watch Series 3 comes in 2 models. This is one of the models, obviously. One with GPS and cellular connectivity, and one with GPS. This is the one with GPS only. And both feature a 70% faster dual-core processor and a new wireless chip. Apple Watch Series 3 features a faster dual-core processor and wireless chip, so that's just a repetition. So basically what it means is this guy will be much faster than the Apple Watch Series 0, Series 1, and Series 2. So if you are planning to get an Apple Watch, I would really recommend that you get the latest one, because sometime beginning of next year the new one will come out, and it's going to be much faster than all of the other models, including this one. So for you to take a look at how it looks on the wrist, as I said, this guy is a little bit small compared to the 42 millimeters that I have. But if you want to see how it looks on the wrist, this is basically how the guy looks. Really stylish. So this is gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to make a really short video to show you guys what's on the box of the Apple Watch Series 3. This is a 38 millimeter, and what are you expecting in terms of features for this guy that the other ones don't have. So what you're getting is, obviously, it's water resistance. You're getting the GPS on this guy. Since this is a 38 millimeter screen, 38 millimeter watch, you're getting a smaller screen as compared to the 48. So if you like a big screen, I would advise that you guys go and get the 42 millimeter instead of getting the 38, since this one is a little bit small. So that's basically it. So if you guys want to know more about the Apple Watch, I can actually make an in-depth video on the Apple Watch itself, but this was just a little breakdown of the Apple Watch. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on my next video, obviously. Peace.